Hello everyone, don't just eat instant noodles by soaking or boiling them. Try steaming them in a pot for a unique flavor that's both nutritious and satisfying. It's quick and easy to make. Let's see how it's done. First, prepare 2 packs of instant noodles. Place the noodle blocks into a steamer. Sprinkle an appropriate amount of water on top. Then steam for about 10 minutes. Prepare a small bowl and pour the instant noodle seasoning packets into it. Then add boiling water. Stir well with chopsticks and set aside for now after mixing. Prepare 2 clean leafy greens. Cut them into sections and place them on a plate after cutting. Add a handful of soybean sprouts, then prepare a sausage and remove its casing. Then slice it diagonally. If you don't like sausage, you can use meat instead. Either way, slice it and set it aside on a plate. Prepare a few scallions, chop them into scallion rings, and separate the white and green parts. Next, carefully prepare 2 fresh, large eggs, crack them gently into a clean bowl, and then beat them thoroughly and consistently with chopsticks until well combined. Time's up. Our instant noodles are steamed and ready. Take out the instant noodles and place them in a bowl, loosening them up. Next, add an appropriate amount of oil to the pan. Once the oil is hot, pour in the beaten eggs and stir fry until they set. Then break up the eggs, add the sausage slices, and stir fry until fragrant. Next, add the white part of the scallions and stir fry a few times. Add the soybean sprouts and stir fry evenly until just cooked. Then add a spoonful of fine chili powder. If you don't like spicy food, you can add more. Stir fry evenly until the chili aroma comes out. Next, add the instant noodles and stir fry evenly. Add the baby greens and stir fry a few times. Now season it by adding salt. Add a little chicken essence, an appropriate amount of light soy sauce for flavor, and a bit of dark soy sauce for color. Stir fry over high heat for 20 seconds to bring out the aroma, and wok hay. Finally, add chopped scallions and a little cumin powder to enhance the fragrance. Stir fry quickly over high heat until everything is well mixed and it's ready to serve. Alright, it's done. Instant noodles made this way are just incredibly delicious. The noodles are steamed, so they have a wonderfully chewy texture. With so many ingredients added, it's both nutritious and tasty. Every time I make this, it's never enough. It's just so satisfying. If you like it, be sure to save this recipe and give it a try.